Well, first I was finishing up my study around 6:20 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. After that, I made myself some dinner and then I started playing video games with some friends from 7 onwards. Well, first of all, I was still studying at 5 and didn't finish until 6:30. Just had mentioned earlier. After that, I went to the store to get a maruchan and a soda. And around 7, I let my dog for a walk. We go back after an hour and then I started watching a series with my sister. My parents and my sister live here. My parents went out for a walk together. They returned at 10 p.m. They went out to eat and afterwards I think they went shopping at the mall because they come back with bags from here. My sister had been outside to the morning. She had gone to the movies with her friends and returned around 5. While I was still studying, she kept me company while I went to the store and walked my dog, and as a side, I started watching a series when we go back. What are three questions that you would ask to your neighbor? 1. Have the officers early gone to question you? 2. Do you know if anything happened to the neighbor? 3. Haven't you seen any strangers looting around here?